In Mid Wales, we have challenges to overcome that can only be addressed through significant and sustained intervention. But we have opportunities. The Mid Wales Growth Deal is a groundbreaking agreement, bringing a combined investment of £110 million from both the UK and Welsh Government, which is expected to lever in significant additional investment in the region. The Growth Deal provides capital funding to help catalyse the development of large-scale economic infrastructure to work with and stimulate investment from the private sector. Our current mix of programmes and projects will help us impact on some of the strategic growth priority areas identified in the vision for growing Mid Wales. From a tourism perspective, the projects being developed are looking to further enhance and improve the region's offer. A number of the projects are targeting the creation of new facilities and assets that will help draw in more varied visitors to Mid Wales, creating jobs directly but also in the wider visitor economy. The projects in applied research and innovation are all geared around building on the region's academic and innovative strengths, investing in the existing assets we have in Mid Wales and developing new economic opportunities for skills and industries of the future. A number of projects aim to secure the future of rural enterprise by creating the ideal environment for the support and growth of innovative approaches to food and drink manufacture and rural sectors. The ambition here is to add further value to primary production through enhanced facilities for businesses in the sector to start and thrive. We also have two priority programmes as part of the Mid Wales Growth Deal that aim to capitalise on the economic opportunities that can be unlocked by investing in digital infrastructure and supporting enterprise.
The digital programme will look to complement existing programmes being implemented by UK and Welsh Government. This will ensure that all the gaps are filled and there is minimal people left without sufficient broadband and mobile coverage for the forthcoming years. This will ensure that the region is future-proofed in its economy for many years to come. The programme has currently identified two projects which have been progressed. One will focus on providing sufficient broadband coverage and connectivity to those properties that won't be covered or included in other initiatives by UK or Welsh Government. The second project will look at improving mobile capacity and coverage and filling the gaps left by other programmes such as the Shared Rural Network.
For a long time, the development of commercial premises in the region has been quite difficult to unlock, largely due to something that we call the viability gap. It's the ability of the developers to basically make enough return on their investment to make it worthwhile then entertaining building something meaningful. So what we're planning to do by way of the Sites and Premises programme is trying to address that in a strategic way and placing our investment in a larger than local type plan across the region.
So by providing modern employment facilities in a range of unit sizes, our businesses can grow, move into those premises, grow and retain their presence in the region and obviously thereby encourage them to continue to develop their own skills and jobs capability, which is only going to be great for our local communities.
Together, the programmes and projects make up a portfolio of investment spanning up to 15 years. Delivery will be phased over this period, therefore the total impact will not be realised until the latter years. In the meantime, there is still a significant amount of work to develop the proposals to the stage where a final decision can be made on funding. Whilst the growth deal is a significant investment, it's only one funding element. As part of the wider vision, we are continuing to work on a number of themes that could in future bring forward investment and deliver improvements to our economy. One of these areas is energy. A regional energy strategy has been developed with key stakeholders in industry and the region. That has been taken forward to develop key actions that will develop opportunities for future investment. We're also ensuring that we are embedding net zero and decarbonisation expectations in everything we do, to ensure that Mid Wales is doing everything it can to respond to the climate emergency. Our work in Mid Wales has developed considerably over recent years, with projects starting to take shape across a range of areas in our economy. Continued collaboration and partnership working will be essential ingredients to ensure we can continue to bring forward these vital schemes for the benefit of our communities and businesses across Mid Wales.